Hi, if you're looking for the best treatment to whiten your teeth, then give me your full attention right now, because I'm about to reveal some super easy natural methods to whiten your teeth once more. See, brown teeth can be very embarrassing and unfortunately can stay with you for a long time, for example, in between visits to dentists. But fortunately, there are some ways in which you can re-whiten your teeth. The first method is baking soda. Studies have shown that brushing with baking soda helps to scrub away stains. It acts as a mild abrasive. You can try this as a DIY paste. Studies with dentists have shown that brushing with products that have baking soda in it will work on the surface stains over time, therefore giving you white teeth once more. The next method is to use something like coconut oil, olive oil or sesame oil. The idea is to wash it round in your mouth for around 20 minutes. What this will do, it will remove bacteria within the mouth, and if you brush your teeth immediately after washing the olive oil or coconut oil or sesame oil around your mouth, if you brush immediately afterwards, it will help to remove the bacteria and help whiten your teeth. Apple cider vinegar is a great one. Use apple cider vinegar before you brush your teeth to kill the bacteria. Using apple cider vinegar also helps to remove stubborn stains on your teeth, bringing them back to white. Now for faster results, please visit www.amazingteethwhiteningproducts.com. For info on a powerful all-natural 100% safe teeth whitening product, please visit www.amazingteethwhiteningproducts.com. That's www.amazingteethwhiteningproducts.com. Just write that within the toolbar right now and press the go button, or equally just click on the link below in the description and it will take you to my website where I will share with you a very fast and effective method. It's a natural remedy but much quicker than the remedies we've gone to today. Thank you.